trapping, I calls with my bitch. I bought her the limo, she bought me the Ray. Swap it, practice, make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never, ever. I take the out of the snake. I take the soul out of the snake.
What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we are kicking off another video, guys. Yes, this video is a little bit different. We throwing it back, we going back, y'all. We're going back to cocktails with Kay. Yes, if you've been riding with me since the beginning, you already know about cocktails and Kay. But if you haven't, that's fine as well. If you are new here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? And I'm so glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for my returning subscribers, bring it in, baby. Yes, I hope you got on your football gear today. Anyway, guys, I was out yesterday. I had the privilege of meeting one of my subscribers. Oh my God. Okay, I've been knowing her for 35 years, but so what? She's still a subscriber, and I met her and we had food and drinks. Guys, well, we did go out for food and drinks, and we stopped at one of my places that I like to go to is Bombshells. So Bombshells, I seen her making this unusual beer. Okay, backstory. I love football, but I'm not a beer drinker. It tastes like piss water to me. It just does. It tastes like urine water. So when I watched her make this drink, I'm like, what is that? And she called it the Corona Sunrise. So I was like, you know what? That's a beer I could try. I could try this and see. We're gonna try. I didn't want to try it without you guys. I thought this would be a good idea to bring you guys along. So we're going to try this together. All right, first things first, you need your Corona, on which we have. Fun fact, I don't have a beer opener because I don't drink beer. But what I've learned, because I'm going to always improvise and figure something out, is that if you got a wine opener, the top is a beer opener. If you already knew that, that's fine. But if you didn't, girl, we just learned something new today. Hey. And I thought this would also be a good idea for any other person that doesn't drink beer, but they man drinks beer while they watching the game, and you want to be a part of the movement. So, we got our Corona. We got a little OJ. We got grenadine, whatever you want to call it. And we got lime. And she dressed it up with salt, but I'm a tahine, whatever you want to call it, with low sodium, of course. I'm a tahine girl. So, let's get this thing started. Okay, let me see if I can remember. I already took the top off. Well, shit, I thought I did. Hold on, y'all. I know I already took this top off. Okay, we got the top off. She took the bottle. And she did this. She took some lime. Let me make sure you guys can see. She took lime and she put the lime all around the bottle. Oh, okay. I guess I'm doing this right. She put the lime all around the bottle like so. And then she took the salt and she sprayed it. She sprinkled it, and moved the bottle as such. Oh, guys, I want to let you guys know also, what I'm using to prepare this is my little portable bar. I'll put a clip of it up here. I ordered this from Amazon because I love to entertain. And this, you can hide it anywhere, honey. It is super duper flat. Super duper cute. And yeah, it's just a little mini bar. If you have someone that you want to serve drinks at your party, honey, this is what you want. This is what you want here. I'm gonna put just a little bit more, y'all. This is what you want. Okay. Ooh, child, I'm getting it everywhere. But you know, hey, this is my first time. So we got the salt, the thing all rimmed. Now that we got the salt around, maybe I should have did that at the end. We're gonna open up the orange juice. Because the orange juice top is so wide, I actually have a shot glass here. And these little clear plastic shot glasses, you can definitely get these from Delantra, aka Dollar Tree, 0.25. So I wanted to pour it in here because if you could see on the Corona top, and this video is not sponsored yet, it's a little narrow. So let's see. Oh my God, y'all see how that's turning? Y'all see that? So we got the orange juice in there, child. Oh Lord, I hope I ain't waste no money. Waste this money on this beer, child. Just put more juice, cause whew. Oh no. Now we're gonna put a little splash. Maybe a little more than a splash, because maybe this was what'll make me drink it. Shit. Ooh. I just want to go on record as saying that I'm literally about to melt over here. I cannot wait until the air adjusts. Because, baby, it's warm up in here. Let's see. Should I put, no, that should be enough. Can y'all see it? Yeah. Y'all can see it. Can y'all see it turning all sunrisey and whatnot? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Don't go over too much. Oh, Lord, I don't even want to move. I don't know beer protocol, so I don't know if this is the part where I'm supposed to drink it or not. But, y'all finna get my first reaction to this. This beer. This Corona Sunrise. Child don't even look like a Corona no more. Hello. All right. Lord, please don't let me let this come back up while I'm on film, because that wouldn't be cute. All right, y'all. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, whew. Let's try it one more time. Cause you know, I think I got like the foam the first time, so I'm gonna, Oh yeah, I was supposed to squeeze lime in it too. Maybe that little bit of lime will help it. All right, bottoms up, baby. Maybe not bottoms. Maybe just a sip or a swallow. We'll see. Okay, it's definitely drinkable. It's drinkable. It's not sweet like I thought it would be, because grenadine normally sweetens things. You can't really taste. You can taste the orange juice a little bit, but honestly speaking, the beer does still kind of overpowers it. But it's still drinkable. I can definitely finish this and finish watching my Cowboys, baby. So I hope you guys try it. And if you guys try it, tag me in it, because I want to know. Hit your girl up. Hit your girl up on Instagram. Instagram, baby. Hit me up on Instagram. Tag me and then let me know you tried it. And let me know what you think. And another thing, are you a beer drinker? Are you a beer lover? Do you not like beer? Are you like me? You're not really a beer drinker? The only beer that I normally would drink is the Angry Orchard. Which is really not a beer, it's an apple cider, but hey, if for the sake of looking like you belong. So cheers to my friends, and I will see you tomorrow.